Motions. Minister for Finance.
Be it resolved that the Honorable House of Assembly do adopt the report of the Standing Finance Committee on the estimates of revenue and expenditure for the financial year 2025-2026 in the sum of $2,057,519,900 as a charge against the Consolidated Fund and other funds of the State of St. Lucia. Mr. Speaker, this year's estimates will build on last year's budget theme, the year of infrastructure, but will be complemented by a special focus on health and social development, citizen safety, and job creation. Mr. Speaker, this year's initiatives will include the following: infrastructural expansion program to include roads, schools, and government buildings, housing development, expansion of health services around the island, and the long-awaited commissioning of the St. Jude Hospital. Measures to enhance citizen security, social, educational, and economic reform programs, rehabilitation of sporting facilities, expansion in emerging areas such as energy, the blue economy, and the digital economy, expanding resilience in the fire service by providing additional tools and equipment, building resilience for climate adaptation, efforts to enhance food security, initiatives to expand investment in all sectors, including foreign investment, youth, and medium-sized and micro and medium-sized entrepreneurship activities. Mr. Speaker, 2025-2026 estimates are expected to allow for further growth in the economy. We have laid the foundation, and we are now building on it and providing the impetus for economic growth for the people, as we add health and social development as priority areas in these estimates. The government intends to provide more resources in these areas. For young entrepreneurs and others seeking to expand their businesses, support will continue to be available for the Youth Economy Agency and the MSME Grant Loan Facility. Mr. Speaker, I have placed before this House a realistic and achievable fiscal agenda. To support this agenda, I propose the following for the 2025-2026 budget. Total expenditure proposed for 2025, $2.058 billion, 8.6% above the approved 2024-2025 estimates and 14% above the outlook for 2024-2025. Expenditure. Expenditure will comprise as follows: recurrent expenditure, $1.6 billion. Capital expenditure, $325.6 million. Interest payments, $236.7 million. Principal payments or amortization, $133.4 million. Mr. Speaker, we project that revenue will total $1.71 billion. Revenue comprises of tax revenue, $1.45 billion. Non-tax revenue, $171.9 million. Capital revenue, $6.7 million. And grants, $93.3 million.